Howdy, this is your friendly neighborhood physics teacher here, and we're going to review how to multiply and divide exponents. The first thing you can do is literally just plug it into the calculator. Now, plugging into the calculator, there's several different ways. So let's look at the one that I gave you on your pre-assessment. I gave you a 3 times 10 to the 6 multiply by 2 times 10 to the 4th. You can literally plug this into your calculator. But my suggestion, because then you have to worry about the parentheses and because like normally if you're going to plug it in, you'd plug it in some crazy way. Like you have to put parentheses, 3, come on. 3, push the times button, 10, exponent, 6, parentheses, another little times, parentheses, 2 times 10, caret, 4, parentheses. If you don't put those parentheses, it's going to be bad. Now, another way you can put it into your calculator, which is a whole lot easier, and I would still put you don't have to put the parentheses, but I would still put the parentheses. Do parentheses, 3, and there's a capital E you can do. And all you got to do is push the 6. That capital E is in replace. Oops. That capital E stands for all that mess. And where that is on it's on a graphing calculator. If you open it up and look at your comma button, which is right above the 7, you should see a double E that's either in blue or yellowish green. That is your capital E. All you have to do is hit second comma, and that capital E should pop up for you. And then you just go ahead and do parentheses 2E4. Plug that in calculator. You should get the right answer all the time. Let's say for some strange reason you don't have a calculator. You can do this without a calculator. It is possible. When you're dealing with exponents and multiplying, you just add them. So you multiply the 3 and the 2. So 3 times 2 gives you 6. And then you just add the exponents. So 10 to the 10. So 6 times 10 to the 10. There you go. But if you're worried about doing bad mental math, you can just plug in the calculator like before. Now, the other one I had you do was a division. So I gave you 8 times 10 to the 3 divided by 2 times 10 to the 15. Again, you can plug it into your calculator and let the calculator do the hard work for you. I would do the double E. I would do pushing the double E. So I put parentheses 8E3 divided by 2E15. Plug that in your calculator. Remember that double E is in the comma, which is right above your 7. You have to put second comma, and that E will pop up. And there you go. And make sure you use the big E and not the little e. You have to use the E that's with the comma. Because if there's a natural log there, that doesn't work. Make sure you use the big E with the comma. If you want, bring Miss Heath the calculator. She'll go, show me. And she'll gladly show you where the E is if you're having trouble finding it. But let's say again, for some strange reason, we don't have a calculator. We can solve for this without a calculator. When you're dividing exponents, you're just subtracting exponents. So you just divide the 8 and the 2, so that'll give you 4. Actually, get there right. 4E. But then you subtract. So you would do 3 minus 15. Well, 3 minus 15, if you actually write that out, you're going to end up getting a negative number. So you're actually going to end up getting a negative 12. And there you go. But again, that's only if you don't have a calculator. Use the calculator with the double E, and you won't have any more issues. Have a good day. Bye.